all know that Stuart, Florida has no shortage of beautiful neighborhoods, but Rio and Jensen Beach is on a whole other level. Plus, you'll have dolphins in your backyard. I love this community for so many reasons. Ocean breezes are delicious throughout the year. There are parks and walking trails. The location is close to everything. You're just minutes from downtown Stuart, shopping, dining, major employers, plus convenient freeway access here. You can truly have it all. Wait until we show you this incredible property. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be among the first notified of our latest listings. It goes a long way, and I really do appreciate your support.